Alright guys, the next thing I want to show you is what if the client wants you to export it not as a PDF. I've seen this in submission guidelines. They say, I just want a JPEG, or maybe you want to put this on your different social media outlets, and maybe you just want to put like one of your pages up there and maybe, drive some traffic to your website. And so you just need a JPEG. So in order to do that, it's exporting again. Go to File, Export. And this time, instead of PDF, you may have noticed there's JPEG, PNG. There's all of these. I'm going to do JPEG. And then I'm going to use the InDesign document name as output. I will create a new folder because you'll have, depending on the number of pages in your document, you're going to have a lot. You could have a lot of JPEGs. So I'm going to make a new folder. I'm just going to call it JPEGs. And then I am going to go ahead and hit save. When I want to do all, I would select that. If I just want a range of pages because maybe they don't want the cover, I could select this and type it in and say I just want 2 through 3. But and I'll do that. We'll just do that. This is going to give you a resolution, and then once again, look at the submission guidelines for whoever the client is and figure out, do they want low res, do you want something a little bit higher? You can just change it here, okay? 72 is low res for web, 150 is like your medium, 300 would be high res. I would never do these other options because that would just make a file that's way too big. I'm fine with all of these, and then I'm just going to hit export. If it's still processing, you will see a little white bar that bumps up and down up here by the home icon, but it's finished. And then I'm going to go in here, and it wasn't this one. Oh yeah, I called it JPEG. See, my memory's bad. JPEGs. And there they are. And those are your JPEG files. Okay, so if I want to preview it real quick, I'm just going to throw it in my browser window and see, boom, there's that JPEG that's convenient for your client, the art director, to be able to have in their own digital archives. Next thing I'm going to show you is how do you package your files.